In this Design in 60 Seconds, learn what an infographic is and how to customize an easy template right here on Envato Tuts Plus. Visuals on the web are everything nowadays, and the best way to grab the public's attention is with an infographic. An infographic is exactly what it sounds like, a graphic with information on it. And you can use it to cover your favorite facts, from interesting statistics to quick polls and more. Browse the incredible selection of infographics on Graphic River to upgrade your stats with premium designs. Let's see how we can customize this simple infographic banner, for example. Choose between Illustrator or Photoshop to customize your designs. Here, I'll be working in Photoshop. Start by changing the title to one you prefer with the text tool. Swap out the colors for a palette you love by selecting a shape and adjusting the fill. Or change the entire composition by moving some elements around. It's really that easy. Enjoy exploring endless possibilities for more design options.